What's up, guys? So I'm just taking a little birthday drive today as I was bored at home, and I was like, you know what, such a beautiful sunny day, let me go up the coast and take a look at some of my favorite rivers and see what kind of landslides and stuff they have, see how things looking, and I'll just bring you guys along with me. Just a little quick birthday tour, nothing too heavy today, and let's see what we find. Enjoy the beauty and wonders of Trinidad and Tobago. Blessings. Morning.
How you going?
How you going, brother? What's your name?
Vijay.
DJ?
Yeah.
And I just taken a little drive through Zorro here. I wanted to know how like the flooding and thing had impacted you all. It was cool, how you managed?
Well, it was a little rough. It damaged the roads a lot. And on the outside of Zorro road coming into as well. And going up to the waterfalls and all. Well, we tried to fix back on our side to go up for other vehicles to go up to access to go to the waterfall and things too. But it's a work in progress. We do it on our own. The government don't really do nothing inside there, so we just try to fix back the roads on our own, and so we could, for other people to come up to go to the waterfalls and stuff.
Nice, man. So other than outside by the road there, you all kind of straighten out yourself inside here then?
Yeah, we trying to just fix back the roads inside there so people who live in higher up too could access the house and stuff.
Alright, nice, man.
Yeah.
Well, you're probably on YouTube all now talking, watching yourself. You want to shout out anybody here?
Yeah, big up everybody who know me, so yeah, man.
Blessings, brother.
Yeah,
respect,
man.
right?
Respect.
Thank you. Easy, brother.
Yeah, man.
So in places like Zorro, Trace and different areas up on the north coast too, when these big heavy floods come down, often they kind of left to fend for themselves when it comes to the road repairs, crossing rivers, because there's a lot of rivers through here. So you naturally build little roads that often run through rivers, and most of the time is a cool scene. But of course, when big flooding come down, it breaks these roads up, sometimes actually stranded, which is kind of concerning, to be honest. I just hope at some point in time that the necessary people can really help these little side roads. Even the people all over Trinidad now who are struggling with floods and that kind of stuff, you have to really band together as a community and help yourself, you know. So big respect to these people for doing that. They're looking nice, huh?
When the rain falls, the rain come down real pure. And all this stuff come down here. They come down pure.
Yes, fellas, so it's my boy Ricardo here up in the back of Zorro. I just kind of come in and asking a few residents about the flood. What went down here, buddy?
Man, well, all we stand right here had water. Cutting straight across it. Water was all here, water was all up inside there, under the flat by me. And it fall and it pour for a while. It's an experience to really see.
Real pressure.
Yes, because you can't, if you're in, you're in, if you're out, you're out.
Yeah, you couldn't leave.
I couldn't leave to go nowhere because I couldn't cross. But all there was water.
How long it take before it went down?
It took about, I'm saying about an hour and a half. Yeah, man.
Yes, the boss.
It took about an hour and a half before it go down.
And it was just one day or plenty days?
Well, 3 days. 3 days. And once it rain, it flood because we get enough rain, real rain. Let me show you across here which part I store my little stuff and thing. All here have little coconut branches and thing. Well, from the trees now, when they fall, the water going with everything. The water running under the river.
Yeah.
When the kind of water come down, it come back and pile up and pull back up, it'll run on top again.
Real wildness. So yes, again a nice sunny day today.
I thank God for that. Well, thank God for that for real. Thank God for that because I need it.
Well, blessings. Well, we know you're always the man running the scene up here at Zorro.
Yes, for real.
Big up. Thank you for having me here on my birthday, you know.
Yes,
like you're always treating me good.
True. The goodness with us dealing in the back of here, man.
Yeah, it's only good, man.
I'll welcome everybody. Once you come the right way, I just come the right way too.
Exactly. That's all. Everybody just had to come the right way to each other, you know.
For real, yes.
Nice. Well, yeah, you go ahead and handle your walk. I know I interrupt here, so we go move.
No, you didn't interrupt me, man. Yeah. I know cranking up. I'm king of range too. With the king orange on them?
This is it, eh?
Yeah, there's the king orange here.
Right.
Once you're interested, I have tangerine, I have oranges, I have grapefruit.
For sale?
For sale, yes.
Nice. So you can come down here and collect it and...
Collect it, yes. Once you come, you get in it and you get it at a good price.
Good price is our by weight and thing.
No, not by weight. I get it for $2 for one.
$2 for one.
For oranges, different price out there.
Nice. Ah, good. Well done.
Yeah, man.
Partner, how are you going? What's your name?
Beverly Gomez.
Beverly Gomez, and you're
Gomez
just
Cottage and Tours.
Gomez Cottage and Tours.
Yeah.
You have a phone number?
325-7071.
And you're living down in Zorro Trace.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know how the floods had affected you and that kind of thing at all. Was it bad or you managed okay?
Well, this year it was bad because it mashing up the roads.
Understood.
Yeah.
But you feel like everything kind of settling a little bit now?
Yeah, it's settling this week.
And you say in the near future you're looking to build up some sheds and thing for people to line by the river and thing.
Yeah, to cook and relax. You have your hammock and you're relaxing.
And chilling in that nice river there.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much and thank you for the birthday wish.
Thank you, Alan.
I appreciate it big time.
You're welcome.
Guys, thank you very much for spending this short little birthday trip with me. Up inside here is absolutely amazing. I'm glad to see that they're somewhat recovered since the floods. Have a fantastic week, everybody. Big up and thanks for all the love you always show me. I've had a very nice birthday and I'm going to go and enjoy some dinner with my wife now. But have a fantastic day again. Please like and subscribe. See you guys on Sunday. Respect. Bless up.